The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Fiat Panda are impossible to ignore, constantly reminding you of every minor speed limit change. This walkthrough shows you how to permanently silence those beeps using Beep Away. We'll use a 2025 Fiat Panda as our example, but the steps are the same for any compatible car. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Fiat. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Panda. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Fiat Panda is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Fiat Panda. Then, tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Fiat, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters. Letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Fiat Panda 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Fiat Panda 2025. ISA config file personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Fiat Panda 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Your 2025 Fiat Panda comes equipped with Intelligent Speed Assist, which triggers a warning beep whenever it thinks you're exceeding the speed limit. These beeps rearm with every drive and often misinterpret signs, leading to near-constant alerts. Beep Away offers a permanent solution to silence these specific warning beeps, while all other car functions remain completely unaffected. The Beep Away configuration loads directly from your USB stick. It never flashes or rewrites your car's firmware. Simply remove the USB stick at any time, and your vehicle's factory warning sounds will instantly return. While we're demonstrating on a Fiat Panda, the Beep Away steps are identical for any supported car model. Owners of many different car brands face the exact same ISA warning beep problem. If you own a 2025 Fiat Panda, you're not alone. Countless drivers report the same frustrating and persistent ISA warning beeps. Discussions often highlight beeps for even slight overspeeds, settings that reset after every ignition cycle, and menus that only offer temporary muting. This widespread frustration is why so many seek a lasting solution, and we'll now address some common questions. Beep Away operates by loading a reversible configuration from the USB stick only when it's plugged in. Nothing is permanently rewritten to your car's system. Simply remove the stick, and your vehicle reverts to its original state. If warranty terms are a concern for your lease or country, we recommend reviewing your specific documentation. Yes, 2025 Fiat Panda owners can follow the exact beep-away process you've just seen. To ensure full compatibility for your specific vehicle, enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a standard USB stick, and about 10 minutes to complete the process at home. There's no need for a dealer visit, specialized coding tools, or any special cables. You can easily select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from Beepaway. Search for Beepaway on Google or visit us directly at beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.